Now you will see the excess demand condition. See, they have broken up the diagram. Excess demand refers to a situation when quantity demanded is more than quantity supplied at the prevailing market price. See, at the prevailing market price P, there is an excess demand situation. Under this situation, market price is less than the equilibrium price. See, P to P2. See, at price P2, which is the prevailing market price, there is an excess demand. So earlier prevailing market price was P. When it fell down to P2, the P2 is the prevailing market price, which is giving rise to a situation of excess demand, because at low price we demand more. So market price is less than the equilibrium price. My P is my equilibrium price. It has now and it has fallen down to P2, which is the market price. Now, if I see from the schedule, it is from 2 to 4. Now, when market demand is more than market supply, means there is excess demand, because at reduced price we demand more. So there is excess demand. So at an excess demand, what is happening? There is at a reduced price there is excess demand, which is more than the market supply. Okay. Now, when the demand is more and the supply is less, what is happening? Just as I said earlier, this will shoot up the price, because from the supplier side it is seen that they can charge any price because there is demand in the market, and we are also ready to pay any price for the product. So in figure 11.2, market equilibrium is determined at point E, at which OQ is the equilibrium quantity and OP is the equilibrium price. If the market price is OP2, then market demand is OQ1. See, excess demand, OQ1. And the market supply is OQ2. Why? Because at a low price, supply is less, because the firms cannot earn higher profits at a low price. So my supply falls to OQ2 and my demand increases to OQ1, which is the excess demand. Now, the excess demand of Q1, Q2 will lead to a competition among the buyers. Buyers would be ready to pay a higher price, just as I said. So now when buyers are ready to pay a higher price, the producers can also charge a higher price. So thus the prices rise. With the increase in price, the market demand will fall due to law of demand, and market supply will fall due to law of supply. The price will continue to rise till the excess demand is wiped out, and where demand and supply becomes equal. So if I show you from the diagram, when the price starts increasing from P2 to P, with an increased price my demand will fall. It comes back to Q. And with an increased price, supply will increase. It will come back to Q. Okay. So, this price rise continues till the excess demand and excess supply is swiped out. And it comes back to equilibrium. Okay. Now, we will move on to the excess supply, the last thing of today. Tomorrow, we will be moving to viable and non-viable industry and effects of changes in demand and supply in the market. See the excess supply. Excess supply is a situation when the quantity supplied is more than quantity demanded. Under this situation, market price is more. Earlier it was less. Now the market price is more than the equilibrium price P. Means the price is rupees 10 suppose. Now, if market price is OP1 more than the equilibrium price OP, then market supply of OQ1 is more than market demand. So, at a higher price, we know the producers will supply more to earn higher profits. So, supply increases to OQ1. And at a higher price, our demand will fall. So, it falls to OQ2. So there is some excess supply of Q1, Q2, which leads to, there is excess supply of Q1, Q2, which leads to a competition among the sellers. Now sellers will try to swipe out this excess supply and they will lower the price. Now with decreased price, what is happening? My demand is increasing and it is coming to Q. From Q2 it is coming to Q as my demand is increasing, as my price is falling. Okay. And with a fall in the price, the supply also falls. So it is coming back to Q. So and this price fall continues again till the excess supply is swiped out and demand becomes equal to supply. Okay. So this is the condition of excess supply. Tomorrow we will be moving to the next part. Thank you, children.